Hello and welcome to the Real Estate King. I'm so excited to explain how you can work on this tutorial. This is not just a template, this is a combo, which means, as you see, you can use an opener, 24 seconds long. You can showcase up to 10 properties with options 4 to 10 photos each and extra options about the duration, two options here, 6 or 8 seconds duration for each photo, a company promotion, a full promo of your company, low thirds, web and social media with devices, a tablet and a smartphone, and 100 plus animated icons. Let's see. Let's go first to the opener, as you see here. Here is the opener. We double click this, and as you see here, first you edit your logo by double clicking this green layer. You edit the logo here, place your own logo here, and then edit your tagline in case you have one. So this is a smooth animation of your logo at the beginning of your opener. After placing the logo, sorry, one moment please, I tweak the resolution in order not to. So the next screen is this one. This is a pre-comp for the opener. This is the red layer. By double clicking this comp, you edit these placeholders. So you can double click this placeholder and place your own image, double click this placeholder, these. The green ones has also placeholder and text holder. This is the placeholder 1, 2 and placeholder 19 as you see here. So by double clicking one of these, except that you place your image here, inside here, you place a text holder like this. So you edit this dummy text and place your headline here. The text holder number 1 is this. So then you go to placeholder number 2. Again, you edit the image here, place your image above this place image or video, and edit the text as well here. Headline and dummy text here. All the project has green layers to edit the text and red layers to edit the placeholders. So another green layer here. This is the opener in which have some texts, and these are the placeholders, only placeholders. So by double click this happens to be only color here. This is like this one, which only color, and this one. But you can double click this one and place image above or change the color. Again, let's see another example. By double clicking this layer, you see that you can have your image here. Sorry, it's autosave. You place your own image and voila. That's the opener, which I think it's very easy. So as you see here, the layers we were explaining before. Text holder here, this rectangular. Again, the green layers, one and the other can be edited right here. Same happens to this one. 2 and logo out. This is the logo we have placed here. Let's go further. This is the showcase of the properties. Here you have more options. You have a lot of options. This is unusual for This is unusual for such a project for real estate, but I have made another project and follow the request of people who bought this, and I made this folder here for the property showcase. So you select if you want to use one property or 10 properties and render combs with 10 properties. Let's go to property number 1. Here you have these options. You have option for, let's close this folder. You have 10 photos presentation for one property, 4 photos presentation, up to 10. So it's 1 to 10 photos. Sorry, again, you have 4 photos or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have these options for the number of photos you want to use for each presentation. Extra options underneath, which is, do you want these photos to be 8 seconds or 6 seconds? I made this so analytically because a lot of people ask me to do that. Okay, then you have property number 2 with the same characteristics, 10 photos, 4 photos, 5 photos, and in which duration you want to use this. Let's see how you can work on this one. Let's go to property number 1, which has 6 photos, for example, 8 seconds each. I remind you that you can use all this project in 2 different durations for each photo. So here I think it's very easy, which means you place you edit here and say it's a villa in a Canary Island, or it's in, what's the name of this property. You can write here if you want to sell it, rent it, or what's the purpose of this presentation. Here you can place your amount, and here are the placeholders, the red ones. So by double clicking here and edit image number 1, let's say we delete this image, for example. As you see here, this image automatically deleted from 2 places. Okay, so Ctrl Z here, the image is here. So you just double click and edit these red layers, and images are placed to this layer and this layer with the animation. Next, you have to edit this info, which has your logo placed from the opener, so it might be already placed here, and let's say your site, your phone number here. Next, you have 2 property highlights screens. Here is the first one, property highlight screen, and here is the second property highlight screen. You just edit this description. You can edit this description by using one of the 100 plus icons provided with this template, or you can just write text, numbers, whatever you like here. Same happens to property description number 2. I like to use the icons. So that's the showcase. I think it's very easy to use. Just replace the photos in the red layers, edit text if you need it's for sale, the title, and you render. That's it. After this, you have the company promo. By double clicking this company presentation here layer, you can edit so much here. Our philosophy, our vision, our team, vice president, director. These are just examples. You can put your names and your here, whatever you like. Let's see here, our philosophy. Again, with a red layer, you place your image here and edit text here. So you can edit the text here, as you see. Here again, and the title here. By double clicking this red layer, not only you place your image here underneath, here above this layer, but you can also place icon here, a lamp here in this case, but you can go to the Assets folder. Here 100 plus icons in some categories: economy, media, other, real estate, social. So in case you want to use another icon instead of this, let's say bed, you select this layer, the lamp, and Alt place the bed. So you can change the icon in this way. This structure with a red layer for the placeholder and the green layers for the text happens to all these projects. Another thing is that there is a null object here, which you can use it to move all these texts here. So this is our philosophy, again our vision, the same structure, red layer and green layers here, and the dummy to move, as you see here. Our vision, our team here. Again, the same structure, again with the green and the red layers, vice president here. So by double click here, you can see the red layer, the green layers, and the dummy to move the text. Here we have three agents, same structure, our history, our services, double click here, green layers, red layers here, easy to use, no problem. What client says, world map, market analysis. Here, as you see in the market analysis, there are two ways to make charts. You have to use this yellow layer. As you see here, there are some keyframes. So to edit these pies, these charts, you just go to these markers, value 1, value 2, 3 and 4. You can have it close, and when you say you want to change the value number 1, you write 70 and immediately this changes. So you go with shift selected, value number 2, instead of 65 you can do 45 change. So remember to press the shift key and go to the next value and edit the text here. Another thing you can do is edit the line width here. Very easy, very easy. I think it's very easy. This happened to, we're here, command presentation. This is the analysis with the bars, again, the same yellow line here, yellow layer here, with shift selected, drag to the next marker and edit this text, again the slider width here. I think it's very easy. Next, the company presentation are two lower thirds here, lower third number 1 and number 2 with the logo. The logo is being placed by the time you place your logo at the beginning. For the opener, logo is placed everywhere in this project. Again, double click here and edit this text here. Let's go to another composition. Web devices here. Again, you have this yellow layer here. So you can select the color of the devices. You want to be with a rose color, with a gold color, shadow opacity and reflection opacity here, sliders, easy to use. Again, by editing the device here, double click and place your own picture here and edit the text right here. So next, web devices, number 2, same structure. This is to show that I have black devices too, but we have all the colors. Get social. Here, follow, like, And here is the 100 icons